It's our last day in Singapore and we're catching the bus again going to Kuala Lumpur. They're fixing our things. Si Gwen naliligo. Wow, sexy. Coffee muna. Coffee. Let's have coffee. Done a room tour. So maybe later kapag medyo maayos na dito. Right now it isn't. Okay, let's do this room tour na makalat. This is the back, no? This is the back area. So, you can just step out and you have access to the pool. Wait. Dito rin yung sampayan. Yan. So, this is the pool. Sunny Singapore. My God, ang init. So, this isn't the entrance, pero let's start from here. So, when you enter, may double deck. 1, 2. Then, extra bed if you need one. Then, small dining nook. Yan. Kasi ito yung collection ata nung may-ari. Hindi ko alam kung sino-sino itong mga characters na to. Then, this is the kitchen. Yan. So, nandito yung storage niya. Kung ano-ano. Bathroom also. May provided na shower gel, shampoo. Then this is the shower. May hot water dito. So from here, this is the area. When siguro if this isn't an Airbnb, maybe nandito yung living room. Pero ngayon, nandito ang dining. Hi, Gwen. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Then ito yung kitchen pa din. Microwave, electric stovetop, sink. Then ito yung lahat ng switch. There's also a washer and dryer. And this is the fridge. Oh, yan. Lahat naka-conceal. Say hi, Bianca. Ay, biglang nag-moist. Wait.
Kainin.
Kasi yung malamig. Wait, ayan o. Ala. Wait.
Ay, nakabili kayo. I love S.
Ay, wala. Ayaw pa rin. Ayan. Oh, say hi.
Hello.
Oh.
Kainin.
Oh. Ayan. Yan lang yung oh. Tapos this is the main entrance. So from the main entrance, ganyan siya. Yan, kaya tayo. There's another bedroom here. Ayun, oh! And a crying baby. There's a double bed. May closet dito. Baho, man. And another bathroom, shower area, sink, and toilet. So this is what it looks like when you go down, no? So there's one aircon, there's another aircon in the kitchen, and another one dun sa double deck. So that's it. That's the room tour. Room tour na gamit na. Kaya makalat na. I'll put the link sa description box kung saan nyo makikita to sa Airbnb. Selfie! Julio!
Ate kasi. Kasi
Gaya, oh. Baho!
Yun nga yun. Pindutin mo.
Selfie! Oh, ulit. Again. Selfie! the food junction. Eating lunch before our trip to Malaysia again. Masarap? Masarap? I'll take a picture of you. Hey, 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 hey. Nagwawala, oh. Bitawan mo na. Hayaan mo lang, tingnan natin kung saan siya pupunta. Ay, sus, doon na naman. Hello? Ano? Oo? Oo? Ano ka? Airline. Bye KL. Bye KL for now. See you again soon. Soon? Or maybe much later. Who left the shoe? It doesn't work?
No.
Oh no. Dito parang may soup eh. Gawin ikaw nga magtulak. Nahihirapan ako. Si Jeng tulog na.
Baggage mo, tinapon.
Saan?
Yung mga yan, taga Malaysia na.
Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to send you from